Welcome back to Everyday Wellness. I have a very quick tip for you. This is a pomegranate here in front of me. Oh, it's juicing everywhere. They're kind of messy to work with and hard to get the seeds out at times. So I'm going to try to show you quickly how it is done. I actually asked a chef friend of mine how to do this because I love pomegranates, but I just cannot stand getting all messy and gross. So I just cut it in half and I put it in water, and you're supposed to be able to kind of push it around a little bit and the seeds come out as easy as it gets, all right? So the white part will float to the top. So if you kind of just handle it a little bit in the water, and those seeds will come out. Look how pretty that water is. So it'll end up being very simple. I'm going to work on this, but then when it comes time to getting your seeds, I just use something like this. I don't know where I got it, but I'll just drain out. The seeds will be remaining in the bowl. And now, everybody has a sweet tooth every now and then, right? At least. So what I'll do is I'll take the seeds and I'll put it in a baggie and I'll throw it in the freezer. And when you need something sweet, these things like just explode in your mouth. They're amazing. And the nutritional value of pomegranates, really, really good. So I put this on salad. I can eat them just plain out of the freezer. If I have some juice left, I might just drink the juice, but it is just an amazing treat. So I just wanted to share how easy it really can be to do pomegranates at home. And again, it's not that much work if you use this trick. So hope it helped, and eat up on your pomegranate because they're amazing, good health. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll keep bringing you some really good, helpful tips all the time. So keep tuning in and like and subscribe for me. See you next time.